This video is going to take you through step by step on how to create a weighted network in Gephi. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open Gephi and create a new project. We're going to start in the data laboratory section over here. So when you click that button in the top left-hand corner, your screen should look like this. We're going to get started by adding all of the nodes in our network. So if you click this button, Add Node, it'll prompt you to input the label, and you could enter whatever labels you have for the nodes of your network. I'm just going to do A, B, C, and D. So we're in the nodes page over here. So once you add all of your nodes, they should show up on the screen like this. The next thing that we're going to do is add all of the edges in our network. You're going to select the source node and the target node, and then you're going to click OK. If we go over here to the edges page, that edge we created should show up over here on the screen. And you're going to keep on doing this until all of the edges in your network are added. So once all of the edges are added, they should show up on the screen over here on the edges page. And if you look all the way to the right, there's a column that says weight. And since we did not enter any weights, they're all automatically populated as 1. And since we're creating a weighted network, we want to change these values. So you can change them by double clicking and inputting whatever number you want it to be. It can be anything greater than 1. It can be 0. Whatever number, or it can be very large numbers. Whatever numbers that you want to add, you can put here. So once you've changed all of the weights for your network, you'll see them show up on the screen all the way on the right side over here. And then we're going to want to look at the network that we created. So you can go ahead to Overview over here on the top left-hand corner. And you can move the nodes around so maybe the network looks a little bit nicer. And over here, you can zoom in so we can see it a little bit better. And when you go down here on the bottom, we can already see a difference in thickness since it's weighted. But if you play around with this, slide it back and forth a little bit, you can really see a contrast between all those different values that we put in. You can also play around with some other appearance factors and preview over here, but this is how you create a weighted network in Gephi.